where the water meets the sky and peace finds its place. This is the Courtyards at Lake Davidson. A place designed with purpose, where a thoughtful, low-maintenance community gives you the freedom to live more and worry less. Here, private outdoor courtyards become your personal retreat, a space to breathe, to grow, to gather. Just steps from the lake, nature becomes a neighbor, and connection becomes effortless. From laughter shared around the table to quiet moments in your courtyard retreat, comfort and connection are always close to home. And when adventure calls, you can simply lock and leave, knowing home will be waiting just as you left it. Discover the serenity of lakeside living only at the Courtyards at Lake Davidson.